In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a reminder workflow in Slack. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's dive into it. Setting reminders in Slack is a great way to keep track of important tasks, deadlines, or even just don't forget to grab that morning coffee. So let's walk through this step by step. First, open up your Slack workspace and locate the message input field at the bottom of your screen. This is where we'll be typing our reminder command. Go ahead and click into that message input field. Now, here comes the fun part. You're going to type in the command /remind. This is the key phrase that tells Slack you want to set a reminder. Don't worry, Slack's super user-friendly, so even if you forget this command, you can always look it up later in the help section. Next, we need to specify who you want to remind. This could be yourself, a teammate, or even a specific channel. If you're setting a reminder for yourself, just type @me. If you're reminding someone else, simply type their username. If it's something you want to notify the whole team about, you can reference a channel, like general. It's that easy. Now, let's talk about what exactly you want to remind yourself or your team about. Type out the message that describes the reminder so it's clear what you're talking about. For example, you might say, "Don't forget to submit the workflow report," or whatever else you need to remember. Keeping it concise yet clear is key. Once you've got that reminder message written down, we need to specify when you want Slack to notify you. You have a couple of cool options here. You can say something like at 9 p.m. tomorrow if you want a specific time for your reminder. Or if you need it sooner, you could simply say in 2 hours. Just remember to be explicit about the time frame you're selecting to avoid any confusion. Now that everything is in place, you've indicated who to remind, what the reminder is about, and when you want to receive it, it's time to hit that send button. Click on it, and voila, your reminder is set. You'll see a confirmation message from Slack letting you know that your reminder has been successfully created. Just like that, you have a reminder in place, so you won't miss that task or important deadline ever again. Trust me, this is a game changer for keeping your productivity on track. To summarize what we've done here, we clicked into the message input field, we typed /remind, followed by who we want to remind, what we need to remind them about, and when we want the reminder. Finally, we hit send, and just like magic, it's all set. And that wraps up today's tutorial on setting a reminder workflow in Slack. I hope you found this information helpful and that you can start using these reminders effectively in your workday.